everyone, and welcome back to Lens on Trains. Today I have something truly special to unbox and share with you, the brand new Roco HO 44001, an incredible 8-piece set of freight wagons from the Czechoslovak State Railways, also known as CSD. These cars are from third era and they are beautifully detailed, featuring prototypical printing, nav shafts and kinematics for close coupling. This is going to be an exciting one, so let's dive right in. Alright, let's carefully open this up and take a first look at what's inside. This brand is known for their high quality rolling stock, and from what I've seen also online, this set is no exception. One great surprise when unboxing this set was discovering that the store included 3 brochures filled with the latest novelties in train modeling. This was a really pleasant addition and I enjoyed flipping through them. And there they are, just look at that presentation. Each of these 8 freight cars is unique with different types, designs and details. 7 of them come in a classic rust color, while one stands out in green. That's the refrigerator car with its distinctive chimneys on the roof. The level of realism here is fantastic, with crisp inscriptions, fine detailing and an overall stunning finish. The variety in this set is incredible: open goods wagons, covered goods wagons, a stake wagon, a hinge lid wagon, and of course the eye-catching refrigerator car. The sliding doors, wood imitation elements and diverse sizes make each piece stand out while still complementing each other perfectly. And with a total length over buffer of 882mm, this set is going to look amazing on any layout. Since you can see the CSD logo present everywhere, let's take a quick moment to talk about the history behind these beautiful freight wagons. The Czechoslovak State Railways, or CSD, was founded in 1918 after the First World War and the dissolution of Austria-Hungary. It inherited much of the rolling stock and infrastructure from the Imperial Royal Austrian State Railways. By 1930, Czechoslovakia had an extensive railway network spanning 13,600 kilometers, the 5th largest in Europe at the time. The majority of these railroads were state-owned, playing a crucial role in the country's industrial growth. The freight wagons in the set are inspired by those used during the Third Era, a time when the railways were an essential backbone of transport. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this video is just a short unboxing and first look overview. But don't worry, I'll be making dedicated videos for each of these wagons separately, where we'll go even deeper into details, history, and how they perform on the track. So, what do you guys think about this set? Let me know in the comments which freight car you'd like to see featured first in the upcoming videos. And if you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the upcoming content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Happy railroading! And now let's enjoy watching this beautiful set roll on the tracks.
Someday